Good morning. My name is Damond Nollan, and I'm the Web Services Manager here at North Carolina Central University. Wanted to quickly welcome you, if this is your first time, to our video blog. You can also call it a vlog. Each week, we are going to get together and talk about some of our successes and our challenges and our upcoming plans. We hope that you come back each week to learn about what we have done and where we're going. Two things I want to talk about today. It is going to be our upcoming conference and then our latest sprint. Starting Monday, March 16th through the 18th, the web team will be going down to New Orleans, Louisiana for the Thurgood Marshall College Fund Member University Professional Institute and Exhibition 2009. We are very excited about going down there as we will be presenting a session entitled Bet on It, Design Your University Website to Enhance Your Admission Goals. We had someone on campus recognize the hard work the team has been doing and saw it was valuable enough to recommend us to the committee. So we are very thankful and honored to even be asked to come down and talk. So if you're going down there, this will be March 16th through the 18th, for us at least, in New Orleans, Louisiana. So if you're going, by all means, let us know. We're looking forward to meet you. And when we return, we'll also let you know how things went. Secondly, I want to briefly talk about our latest sprint. And for those that do not know, a sprint is a 2-week time period, for us at least, where we focus on our highest priority. And in this case, we have 8 of them. And these come from all across the campus. They come from our CIO, they come from the chancellor, they come from departments, or they come from just our observation of how the web is actually working. So this week, I'm going to briefly talk about what we're working on and what you can expect to see roll out very soon. Number one, which really should be no surprise to anybody, we're working on our presentation for the conference. We took a couple of days and we have put together what I believe to be a very comprehensive presentation that will represent our institution, North Carolina Central University, well. Our plans are to talk about our past, where we have come with the web, where we are today, and where we are going. And along the way, we hope to share any of our secrets and lessons with the other institutions that will be attending. While we're there, we also plan to make some contacts and hopefully come back again and with more information. So that was a huge part of our project, our sprint. Secondly, and for those who are on campus today or this week, you may have noticed that a new password reset policy has gone into place. Essentially, what has happened is the state is requiring institutions to really beef up its security in light of what's going on in the world and just in best practices. So what we have been asked to do is to ask all of our members, all of our students, all of our faculty and staff to update their passwords with at least 8 characters and a combination of the following items: uppercase, lowercase, special character, and a number. Any 3 of those 4 you can have in your password. Earlier this week, we had some brief challenges that I think we have ironed out, and my team has worked tirelessly to aid help desk and the server team, who are also working hard to get this policy to work. So if you see this, you'll recognize that when you log on to My EOL, which is our intranet, you will notice that a form will pop up if your password does not meet the new standards. And it will ask you to please change it to something that meets. So just expect that to come down the pipe. Another issue that we've had a lot lately has been with our web server. Specifically, we have a Code Fusion server. And we've had some issues with, I think it's just with the number of people that have come online. So this, on one hand, is very exciting because we're getting more people coming to our site. But we also have to sort of fine-tune for the load. And so what we're doing is working tirelessly to figure out what's wrong. Why does it slow down sometimes, and and anticipate those changes and correct them as soon as possible. So just want you to be aware. Now, this next two items I'm very excited about, and I think that you will be as well. For those of you that have smartphones, if you have a BlackBerry, an iPhone, or any phone that's similar to that, soon you will be able to log onto our website through your phone, and you will be able to update your ego status, which is very Twitter-like. Update your status on the go from anywhere in the world. You will also be able to receive your news, and not long after that, we'll also roll out our employee directory. So look forward to that. This will be rolling out. I know at least this first part will be rolling out at the end of this sprint. Another piece that we have rolled out is our Google Map. You may have seen that in the past we had a PDF document of our campus map. Well, today we are utilizing Google Map, and you can see things like dormitories, you can see classrooms, and you can see other buildings on campus. At the end of this sprint, we will also be including parking lots, blue lights for emergencies, and I think we may even go so far as to look at some bus routes. But I do know for certain we're going to try to roll out parking and blue lights. And then finally, we have been working on our document library. We are working to provide a search engine for you to find all those forms, those documents, those policies that you need to get to quickly. And to do that, we are working to include a category section where if you know it's a policy or a form or some sort of document, you can select the category. And if it happens to go over one page, you will also begin to see a little notification that lets you know what page you are currently on, which right now we don't have. So those are some immediate changes that you will see once this is rolled out. Well, that's what we have this week. We thank you very much for your time. Again, if you have any questions at all, you can feel free to write us at webmaster@nccu.edu. Visit us online at www.nccu.edu. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.